quick Microsoft update for you, a change to the Documents Library interface. You'll see here that when you land on this page, now it's split by all documents in channel documents. You can add gallery views and different views here. And now you'll notice the upload, create file button, it's gone. They've kind of cleaned it up. It does look cleaner, I will say. But if you go to click this drop down, you can create a new folder, upload a file. When you click here, you can actually create a Word document or any of the other sort of file types here directly within the space. You still have a filter option available to you under the 3 lines, and under this settings icon is where you can start to add a group by or sort by and start to manage some of this metadata. Now, what to note here is that in channels is now under a completely different button. What is in channels? Well, I've got a Teams connected site to show you what's going on here. In channels is all of the folders related to channels to the team that's connected to this site. All documents is just about anything else. You'll notice I created a test folder here, which doesn't show up in channels. That's technically an orphan, so it's very easy to create orphans here. That's something to note. It always was, but it's, in my opinion, a little easier now. Orphan is a folder or file that is created in SharePoint, unavailable to users in Teams. I'll show you quickly what that means. But another thing to note within channels is you'll notice I've got a private channel here and I've got a shared channel. Right? Those are 2 other channel types that are available. A private channel creates a private space. These are permissions-based spaces. So because of that, there's actually differently connected sites, sort of sub-sites, let's call them, connected to this finance site that allows you to separately permission very easily inside of a channel for documents related to Project A, for example. Those don't show up, you'll notice, in all documents, but other ones do. So anytime you see something that's in channel, like for example, admin, an admin folder, there's an admin folder here in all documents as well. Same folder, go inside, the same files, whatever. But in channels has that added element of any private or shared files or shared spaces where files are stored that you have access to within the finance space. So that's important to note. Now, what does this look like inside of Teams? Let me show you. So if we head to that particular team, and by the way, you can do that by just clicking this icon. We'll just do it like that just to keep it really easy and simple for you. So what do these files look like inside of this space? Well, if you click into shared, which by the way is the new button for files inside of Teams at the top when you want to go look at files, shared, you'll see now that it's strictly, this is technically the general channel that we've renamed into admin. It no longer will click back into that all documents view, right? That's only available inside of SharePoint, hence why test isn't available anywhere inside of the Teams files. So you'll see there's an in library section, and that's related to this folder here. You'll see the same document. So just to recap, all document, admin, and then clicking back, in channel, admin, same space, yeah. And here under in library, same space, under admin, same space. And then they've also got an in post here, which is just what documents have been posted in posts. So you can split between those two, but you'll notice that file is showing up in library as well. So yeah, that's the big change. A little bit of an interface update. I do think it makes it look a little bit cleaner. What do you think? Let us know. I hope that you found this interesting and at the very least got you prepared for what these shifts will look like in the interface in the document section inside of SharePoint and in Teams. Do like and subscribe, and we look forward to catching up soon.